What is going on, guys? It is your boy Swag Subi, Swag Zach, or whatever you want to call me. We are going to a Cars and Coffee today. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. We're going to a Cars and Coffee today. This is the first meet of the year, so should be a pretty good turnout. I don't know if you can see, but the weather is very nice. There are no clouds outside, no humidity. Like, honestly, I feel like I'm living on the West Coast right now. But yeah. It's the first meet of the year, so it should be a pretty good turnout. I haven't been to a car meet in so long, so it'd be a good opportunity to get out the house and also get this content out. So yeah, without further ado, I will see you guys there. We are on the road right now, but it's 9:32. The meet starts at 8 o'clock. We're an hour 30 late, as per usual. But honestly, I don't know anybody who actually shows up to these meets, or Cars and Coffee specifically, at 8 o'clock. I mean, it just seems way too early. Like, maybe if you're like a retired Corvette driver, I can understand, but for the average like person with a 9 to 5, I just don't see it. I have a feeling that people are going to be staying out longer just because of how nice the weather is. It is like a nice, like, my temp reader in the car, it reads 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it's more about, I would say like high 60s, low 70s. Because 55, that'd be pretty chilly. I don't know. It's Florida, so 55 might as well be 70 degrees for these people. Yeah, it's just nice to drive the car, honestly. Like, I've just been working, man. So I haven't done any car-related things for a while. This is my first time going to a meet in months. Just because I never feel like it, but, you know, I figured this would be a good opportunity. It's one of the first meets of the year, 2025, so I felt like I had to go to this one. We'll see if this can set the standard for the rest of the year. It's decently crowded. That's what I expected. I mean, it's the first of the year. How we going? You know me, at these meets I like parking by myself. Oh, it's another BRZ. Yo, probably can't get a spot next to it. I check my car anywhere. Oh, my Hans car. This is the first time I've seen a 33 in person. So honestly, it's not that big. NSX, you can't go wrong with it. Oh, that's an extremely rare one. Thought you could hide from me? These look like Meisters. Kaneki. Yeah, these are 101. I'd be terrified to drive something like this, though. Whoa, ACR. Maybe I'd buy one, maybe. Probably not, though. But if I had to get a Dodge, this would probably be the one. But for the prices they are now, I don't know. These Amiras are nice. A lot of the BRZ guys upgrade to this one. CAR edition. Not sure what that is, but obviously some sort of special trim. Talk about driver focused. Got some heat over here. Oh my goodness. My favorite generation. I might have to get one. I might have to get one. Look at that paint. Oh my gosh, bro. I need one. Actually, nah. Dude, these things just look so, like, I don't know, man. They're just so hefty. All right, y'all. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Short video. I just really wanted to get outside because I haven't been outside in a long time. Ended up talking with some buddies, so it was cool. Next video, I definitely want to do more POVs this year. I definitely want to do, I don't know. I just want to drive. That's all. I really just want to drive the car. I want to drive around, find new places, start doing photo shoots, stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my Instagram, by the way. I'll put it here, or here, or there, or there, or I won't do it at all. I'll put it in the description. Screw it. But yeah, follow me there. I don't post much on there, but I will start posting more on there as of this year. All right. See y'all. Have a good day.